Timothy with the Popo Backyard Farm. I'm outside enjoying the day. I have a new beanie I made. These are cool. They can be to run around town. Some people like to wear them all year long. Boys like these. Of course, this is a very girly color. My hair will be a little bit messed up, but you know, if you watch my videos, I'm always monkeying with my hair. But see how this is? Now, this isn't like some of the beanies that I've made where you like might make a big square and then you take a yarn needle and go through the top. What I liked about this was towards the end, I just started looping 2 stitches together. I hope I explained this right. I believe it's a woven stitch at the top, and it just worked out perfect because it just ended up being, you know, there was no, I didn't have to dig out my needle to sew it together. It just kind of worked out at the end. So I kind of like sewed it up tall enough to reach the top of my head, and then I just started using the woven stitch, which I have the directions in one of my videos if you're not sure what that is, and it was just really easy. And so you can make just about any pattern. For me, it was like 70 with the 70 stitches. I'm not even sure what size needle, so I guess that's gonna be wrong. Sorry about my mascara's running here. But anyway, so I just measured around my head, make sure it's not too tight or too loose, and then I just like crocheted up to here, and then I started using the woven stitch until it closed. So there you guys go. Meaning using the woven stitch, I'll say this again. I used the woven stitch, and then I like started skipping every other stitch to make it smaller until it closed in the middle. So I hope that helps. But either way, make a bunch of beanies this year. They're cool. I'm sure there's lots of people online that have good instructions for how to make them. But I'm going to be making a few more of these. These are just great. And, you know, you can make them for holidays. You can make them for gifts. Or you can keep them yourself and just enjoy making them. So remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.